Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so there's something you're gonna notice during this video, and that is that I have a cast. I broke my wrist. I broke my wrist roller skating down just a little hill. I just fell down and broke it. So it's only 4 weeks in a cast, but I will have a cast on for this video. So I'm gonna make a video about how to make a loom bracelet. A loom bracelet is like, here, I don't have it on me, but I think most of you know. Like, you make loom bracelets with these little rubber bands. Have you ever seen like little bracelets with these? They're very popular. So yeah. This is a loom bracelet. Okay, the first thing you need to do is get your loom board. You should buy a loom kit. You can find it at a lot of stores like Target, Walmart. I actually got like a first like loom starter kit at like the dollar store or something, I think. But now I have like the real thing. So you need to start. So you need to have your loom board, your like stick picker upper thing, I don't know what it's called, and your rubber bands. I have them in here, like I said. I think I already said that, but yeah. And then just get a few different colors. I'm only doing 3 colors because I think it's just more easy to do it in 3 colors. So I'm gonna start. So the first thing you're gonna do is you take your loom board and you're gonna make sure, so you see these things, there's little hole sides, and then there's sides where there's like not holes. You want to take the side that's not holes, and you want that to face toward you. So I'll take that. Now, I'm going to take a rubber band. I'm going to stretch it out. And I'm going to place it diagonally like this. Like that. And do it again. Like that. So they just go crisscross. So they just go from one side to the other, like that. I usually do 2 of one color and then switch it up to another color. So yeah. So all loom boards are different, but this one, it gets a little small. So what I do is I'll take my stick picker thing, whatever it's called, and I'll just kind of, I'll turn it around and I'll start picking it up. And you know how, if you already, so you want to know how to pick it up. You don't take the very first little stick. You take this one, and then you're gonna stick your hook, this little hook, and you're gonna stick it in the bottom rubber band, and pull up that bottom rubber band to the next. I messed that up here. And then you're going to bring the bottom one to the next stick. See how it's like wrapped around there? Yeah. So you're going to pick it up. Where is it? Right there. You're going to take this yellow. And then I'll press it and do that. And repeat it until you've reached the end. Once you've reached the end, like I said, all loom boards are different, but mine's pretty short. So what I like to do is I'll pick it all up, take it all off. I just usually do this part with my fingers. Just take it all off. And so I'm going to take the very last part of one thing. I'm going to take it all off, hold it in my hand, take one end. I just pick a random end. I take it and then I'll put the last band like that, like I'm starting a new one, and I'm going to start it over again. Now I've done that, now I'm just going to pick them all up again. Like I said, second, up and down, and then you're gonna that, like I just did. And then you're gonna take the next one, stick it in a thing, and then you're just gonna like hook it like that. And then you're gonna pull it to the next one and hook it and leave it. Then continue that until you're to the end. So finish that just like I did before. Peel it all off my fingers. And there's your bracelet. But sometimes it can break. The thing I like to do if it breaks is, so, do the last part. Maybe like, pick up to the last part. So these are my hooks. So you're gonna have the S hooks, which I'll find. I only got one. Two. Oh, there. So I'll just take one end. And then I'll put it on the S hook. It's kind of hard sometimes. So, and again. See, those are hooked. But then you're going to take your other S hook. Take the other. I can't do it. Just hook it on there. See? Like that. And then hook it on the other side. And there you go. There's your Loom bracelet. So I do have a few tips. When you're done placing them, to hook them, you have to remember to turn it over. And that's a big tip I learned when I first started this. And another thing you can do is put your like rubber bands in a cake thing. That's very like a cupcake thing, because that's very helpful. So I don't have to mix colors and just reach out the bags. Easily just kind of organize them. So there you have it. It is a Loom bracelet. It's very. Let me put it on. Oh no. I failed. It's X. It's the S hook. Yeah, okay. Done. I can't get this bracelet to work. Here. I keep breaking it. There. Okay. There we go. Here's how you make. There's the bracelet. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. Bye!